Hey everyone, welcome back to the Traders Union channel. Today let's talk about ParadTrade, a broker that gives you access to Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and crypto. We've looked through the main things traders usually care about: trading conditions, fees, platforms, regulation, client reviews, and the overall pros and cons. So in this video, I'll walk you through what ParadTrade offers, where it looks strong, and where you should be more careful. And as always, if you want to go deeper after the video, check the description. You'll find a link to the full ParadTrade review on Traders Union website with a more detailed breakdown of fees, safety, trading conditions, and user feedbacks. So let's see who this broker might be suitable for and how safe it really looks. ParadTrade has been operating since 2019. The company presents itself as an international broker with access to different financial markets. It operates under the brand ParadTrade Limited and says it is regulated by the MWALI International Services Authority, or MISA. The headquarters is listed in Prague, and the broker also says it has representative offices in other countries. What's interesting is that ParadTrade is not only focused on managed trading, it also offers investment solutions, including copy trading and managed account services. Now, let's look at what you can actually trade here. ParadTrade gives you access to more than 60 currency pairs, CFDs on shares or global companies, stocks, indices, precious metals, energy commodities, agricultural assets, and cryptocurrencies. So overall, the instrument list is quite broad. It gives traders room to diversify and test different strategies across different markets. Now, one of the things that may catch your attention right away is the minimum deposit. With ParadTrade, the minimum deposit is just $5. So yes, the entry barrier is very low, and that can be attractive for beginners who don't want to start with a large amount. The broker offers several account types, including standard and ECN accounts. According to Traders Union, spreads on standard account start from 0.3 pips, while on ECN accounts they start from 0.1 pips. There are also no deposit fees, no withdrawal fees, and no inactivity fee. Another important point is leverage. ParadTrade offers maximum leverage of up to 1 to 1,000. Now, this is where I'd be careful. High leverage can look exciting because it gives you more trading power, but it also increases risk. It can increase potential profit, but it can also make losses much bigger and faster. So if you're new to trading, this is definitely something to treat seriously. When it comes to platforms, ParadTrade offers several options. You can trade through a web platform, a mobile app, a desktop terminal, and MetaTrader. The company also states that auto execution starts from 50 milliseconds and that it supports popular trading styles like scalping, algorithmic trading, expert advisors, hedging, and news trading. On top of that, client can also get access to an economic calendar, educational materials, and webinars. Now let's talk about copy trading and investments, because this is one of the areas that may interest beginners. ParadTrade has a system that allows users to connect to the strategies of more experienced traders and automatically copy their trades. There are also managed accounts for investors who prefer a more passive way to work with the financial markets. This can sound convenient, especially if you don't want to trade everything manually, but there is one thing you should always remember. Past results of managers do not guarantee future returns. So even if a strategy looked good before, that doesn't mean it will keep performing the same way. ParadTrade also offers bonus programs, an affiliate system, and a loyalty program for clients. The company says that accounts can be opened in different currencies, including cryptocurrencies. Now let's move to the part that, in my opinion, deserves the most attention: regulation. The main drawbacks highlighted by Traders Union analysts and independent experts is the level of regulation. ParadTrade is licensed by the offshore regulator MISA. At the same time, it does not have licenses from major international financial regulators such as FSA, ASIC or CYSEC. And this is important. Some traders may be fine with this, but if strong regulatory protection is a key factor for you, then this point should not be ignored. There are a few other drawbacks as well. The broker has a limited selection of trading platforms. There are no client accounts, the asset selection is smaller compared to the biggest global brokers, and there is no investor compensation scheme. So if your priority is maximum protection from top-tier regulators, this is something you should definitely think about before opening an account. So what's the final picture? ParadTrade may be interesting for traders who want a low minimum deposit, access to different markets, several account types, MetaTrader, copy trading, managed accounts, and high leverage. But at the same time, the offshore regulation, lack of licenses from major regulators, no client accounts, smaller asset selection compared to the largest brokers, and no investor compensation scheme are serious points to consider. As always, don't choose a broker just because one feature looks attractive. Look at the full picture: fees, platforms, regulation, risks, trading conditions, and whether the broker actually fits your experience level. If this review was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the Traders Union channel, and share your experience with ParadTrade or other brokers in the comments. Thanks for watching and trade carefully.